Okay, I am going to make my hair spritz for my sister locks. This is my water, and this is my 360-degree spray bottle that I bought from Sally's, and I just filled it up based on the amount of contents that the bottle will hold. In here are peppermint leaves that I got from the farmer's market. This is lavender that I also got from the farmer's market. I'm going to be adding some tea tree oil, rosemary, lavender, some ginger, peppermint, rose hemp seed oil. I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon or two of vegetable glycerin because my hair is very, very dry. And I also have a packet of poultry blend seasoning. Out of here, I'm just going to use the rosemary as well as the thyme leaves. So yes, so what I'm going to do now is to pour my water into my pot. This is the front. I am going to take I'll probably use 3 to 4 sprigs of thyme, maybe 5 or 6. And I'm going to use a sprig and a half of rosemary. I am also going to add to this a tablespoon of lavender leaves, dried lavender leaves. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves. And I'm going to bring that to a nice warm simmer. And after this has come to a nice warm simmer, I'm going to pour it back into my bottle and add my essential oils, and I'll be back. This is what it looks like. I am going to, and it smells so good. That's the timer going off. I am going to put two tablespoons of vegetable glycerin in here. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. 2 tablespoons, maybe too much. I really hate I wasted that on the floor. I am going to do 10 drops of lavender. I'm going to do 10 drops of tea tree oil, and the tea tree is going to be an antimicrobial, and it's also going to keep it from mildewing. Then we have some more rosemary oil. I'm going to do 10 drops of this. I'm going to do 10 drops of ginger. thought this had a dropper on it. My husband must have bought this. I'm gonna do 10 drops of rosehip oil. I don't know if the light is. And I am going to do 20 drops of peppermint. Okay, so that's it for that. I actually probably need to buy some more of that. I'm going to give this a gentle stir to get everything incorporated. It smells so good. Take my funnel. So as you can see, that was quite a bit of water that I spilled on the floor because I had it up to here. And then, you know, you got to give and take some for it actually coming to a boil. So probably what I'll do is take this and maybe just boil a little bit more. So I can fill it up because this will be for both me and my daughter's hair.